As I've said, number one is that we need to have an education system which does not create job seekers. On the contrary, when a person passes out from his college, rather than looking for a job, the education system should be such that he should be in a position to create jobs for the people. Number two is today, if you want to start up a business or if you want to do business in this country, the politics of the country is such that it creates all kinds of impediments in doing business. Only a person who is thoroughly corrupt can survive and can thrive actually. We need to, and that is because the politics of a country is rotten. Rather than encouraging entrepreneurship, the politics of our country creates all kinds of impediments, and these impediments are created deliberately so that the politicians can take their cut and they can take their commission. So I think till such time as we clean up the politics of the country, it will be very difficult for honest people to survive in business. There would be a host of changes, but the most important overall thing is that we firmly believe, firstly, that the government does not have any business to be in business. The business should be left to the private people, and it is only trade, industry, commerce, farming, agriculture. These are the sectors that can create employment, and these are the only sectors which can create wealth in our country. And therefore, all those impediments which are there because of governance, administration and law, all those impediments would be removed so that people can do honest business in the country. The most important thing is कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Details में अगर आप जाएं तो you can make a long list of agenda that is required to be done. The most important thing is कि नीयत साफ़ है क्या? हम लोगों की नीयत साफ़ है और बाकी पार्टियों की नीयत ख़राब है. तो if the intentions are noble, if you actually want to create an honest environment, then you can actually sit with the industry and work out the details. But if intentions are bad, then obviously you will create all kinds of, none of the impediments which exist in industry today are insurmountable. They are all artificially created. They are a result of bad politics. So it's only party or political leaders with honest intentions that can remove those impediments. Today, if a person wants to start up, all these people, India is a country of first-class people with third-class governance. The same set of people, when they go abroad, they shine, but in their own country, when they come back or when they try to do something in their own country, there is absolutely no hope for these people. The system creates all kinds of impediments for them. So ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अमेरिका में जाके तो हमारे सारे देश के लोग इतना अच्छा करते हैं और अपने देश में इतना ख़राब करते हैं? I think we need to change that environment, and that is where the startups also come in picture. कि अगर आपके पास idea है, तो the system should actually encourage you to start something, rather than discourage you कि एक लाइसेंस लेने के लिए पैसा दो, उससे सिफारिश लगवाओ और फिर 10 इंस्पेक्टर आ जाते हैं and you are unable to do business. So वो सब ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा. I would like them to support honest politics and openly come out and criticize and discourage dishonest politics. पीठ पीछे रह के कब तक काम चलेगा?